Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
is the value been plotted using the n and m values, ma'am?
Yeah, we have used m and n. Okay, so we can also try like plot of s comma c. So we can do this one also. Yes, see. So how clear it is. So because the values, okay, so you can see that the values which they have taken, okay, so from minus values, okay, so from, so which would be the highest, so highest minus value to the, I mean, minus means this is a negative, and then up to positive, okay, so we can also perform, okay, so we can also give positive values and negative values also. So based on the values only, the graph will be drawn, okay. So what are the values which we have given in the input will be taken automatically. So it will take automatically and then it will drop. Okay. So generate the name, roll number, and then roll number is the main thing here. Okay. So roll number will be the unique one for every student, like, right? So and then phone numbers. So numbers are different and the names is all of related to the characters. Okay. So group of characters will give the name. Okay, so if you wanted to perform on a data set means it combines all the values, not only a single value. So here we'll use the data set. So data set ni base cheskone, so marks will also be there, right? So student details vachinappudu, let us say the name, roll number, and then let us say phone number and marks, okay, or grades. So you can take any of the values. So now each and every row or sorry, column, so will be different data type. Okay, name is all about a string. Okay, so string, and then roll number is mixed up with, okay, so it may have characters. So some roll numbers may have characters and the numbers also, so it mixed. Okay, so it is of mixed data type. And then here if we come to the phone number, definitely it will be the number data type, that means integer. Okay, and then if you come to the marks, okay, so if you go for grades, then definitely, so it will be character. Okay, so A grade, B grade, C grade, but marks are numbers. Okay, so you need to link up these two. Okay, so marks and grades, so based on how many marks, what is the grade. So if you wanted to do that one, so you need to create, or you need to gather, you need to get the data set of like 100 students. Okay, so and then in that we need to only take the marks column, and then we need to assign the to which student got which grade. Okay, so by calculating all these things. So now there is the use of all these things. Okay, so we need to again take any of the unique values like roll numbers as a constant one, and then you need to make operations on these two, and then finally decides grade. So for that purpose, we need to take some specific, I mean the row or a column from the related. Okay, so ఇక్కడ నేను క్రియేట్ చేశాను, ఒకసారి చూడండి ఇక్కడ. సో నేను ఏది కావాలో అది మాత్రమే, అంటే జస్ట్ I have access to like 3 or 4. So it will give only within the a single row. So if we have number of data, I mean in the data is there, so then we need to only get some specific column. So that is also possible, right? So that comes when you deal with the data set. So అది మనకి ఇంకా ఫర్దర్ గా లాస్ట్ లో మన డేటా సెట్ వచ్చేది. So before that, what we need to get to know the knowledge is that so we need to create some vectors and then matrices, and then we need to perform various operations on the matrices. I wanted to find out the size. So size of some matrices. Okay, so if I wanted to find size means, then I can go like size of m. Okay, so if I wanted to find size of m, I need to use only small letters. So here you get answer like 3 because it is a 3 by 3 matrix. So if I wanted to create a matrix like only with only once, I need to create like 2 by 2 matrices. Okay, so ela cheyalante, let us say, so E is equals to ones of 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2. So which will gives all ones 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so if I wanted to create zeros, 3 comma 3, so that it will automatically create 3 by 3 matrices of matrix of zeros with filled with zeros. Okay, now if I wanted to give some diagonal values, okay, so diagonal values I need to give. Okay, so for that purpose, what I need to do is that I need to first create a vector which will consisting of some diagonal. So let us say D equals to, I need to fill 3 values with the diagonal. Okay, so as you know, the diagonal function will make use of only the values to be placed in a diagonal. Okay, diagonal manner ante corner nunchi we'll get it into the ending. So let us try this one, then you will come to know. Okay, so let us say 5, 7, 9, 3. So I need to keep in a diagonal manner. Okay, so for that purpose, what I need to do, first I need to give the values which should be placed on a diagonal matrix. Okay, so now let us create another matrix like is equals to T equal to DIG, sorry, DIAG, diagonal. Okay, okay, so now it will create, see the values 5, 7, 9, 3 has been placed in a diagonal. Okay, so diagonal manner. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Concatenate matrices, yes, so which I have already created. So now I need to create, concatenate. Okay, so let us take this ones and zeros matrices. E and F is already there, right? So now we will assign this concatenated matrices to some other variables like I. Okay, I equals to concatenation. How we'll do that one means by using simply the square braces itself. So now I can directly give E space F. Okay, so which will concatenate E and F matrices together. Okay, so it will take like, so in which manner they will be concatenated. So here rows of matrices will be, it will create as rows. Okay, so we'll see what would be the result. Be matched with the remaining. Okay, so let's try another example of concatenation. Okay, so we'll create another like C1 equals to zeros of 2/3. Now we'll try to concatenate this two. So C3 equals to C1 space C. So now you got the result, because so if we are mentioning the size, so there should not be like two different. Okay, so 2/2 and 2/3. 2 is common. Okay, so 2 is common in both the matrices. Okay, so that it will be concatenated like row wise. Okay, so here 2 rows and remaining will be the columns. So you can see the size of C3. So you can see 2/5. We got the 2/5. So in such a way you can have the concatenation. Okay, so if you wanted to concatenate horizontally or concatenating related towards I mean numeric sequences, if we wanted to create the numeric sequences, then also we can have to create in such a way like A is equals to A1. We want to create the series of with a sequence. Okay, so like 1 to 10. You can directly have like 1 to 10 numbers with the A1 vector. Okay, so you get 1 into 10. Okay? And you can also have like, you can give like A2. You can give the range also by using the semicolon. Okay, from minus to 10. If I wanted to create some minus 3.52 plus, you can also have a single vector. So incrementing, okay, so towards the range 3.5, 2.5, 1.5, and 0.5, and then 0.5 positive, 1.5 positive, 2.5 positive, 3.5 positive. So in such a way, you can also create a series, okay, of sequences of numbers with the ranges, and then you can also have direct increments, okay. And then, as I already told you, another example like decrementing in order, okay. So decrementing in the order will be get like A3 is equal to like. So I need to only have up to 7, I say, and then incremented by 2. Okay, starting from 0. So whatever may be here the highest value has to be given. Okay, as I give here 0 means it would be taken directly as negative. I mean decrementing order. So you can see 7, 5, 3, 1, decrementing by 2. Is it clear, everyone?